Hey everyone, sorry about the picture quality, but I'm doing this as a quick extra to answer just one question that keeps coming up. Because of the Battlefield 1 beta, a lot of people have been emailing me a lot and asking whether or not you can top up or add an extra round to a Steyr Mannlicher. So I have here this is actually converted to 8x56, but it's not going to matter, it's the same thing. I've got a full 1895 long rifle. I've got a partial end block clip with 2 rounds in it. These are deactivated, so let me just put them in. All right, we have 2, and we're going to see if we can add a 3rd on the fly. Now, I have been telling people, no, you can't do this, but we should double check. All right, there's our 2. Here's our 1. I'm going to try. Looks like something vaguely 6. Nope, not a bit. And I can go ahead and try to push down even further, just so that you guys are really satisfied. And what's going to happen is, as my thumb gets further in there, we're going to see the problem. There's our clip that is slowly wandering its way out, and eventually it's going to hit the bottom, and I'm not going to be able to shove it any further. But what's never going to happen, because there's just no room for the other cartridges to get out of the way, what's never going to happen is this rim is never going to get below the feed lips, which are part of the clip. So in other words, if I kick this out, you're never going to have the ability for this little guy to get past this clip line, which is what you'd need. And by the way, even if I try to do that with it out of the gun, it's extremely difficult, and it's going to probably try to rim lock and catch, because they're really designed to be loaded from the front. They're designed for you to put the round in here and then slide it down and put the next one in and slide it down. So no, you are not going to be able to freehand load 1 spare round into a Steyr Mannlicher. All right, again, sorry for the quality, but hopefully that clears things up. Have a good one, guys.